Welcome! I use Reallusion's Character Creator to quickly develop lifelike characters. I use 3ds Max Cat to animate them. Character Creator does not export directly to either 3ds Max Biped or Cat. However, you can get an animation-ready character using skin tools, a clever script, and a little rigging. This lesson is broken into 3 videos. First, we'll cover exporting out of Character Creator, import and scene management in 3ds Max, then creating and aligning a cat rig. The second video shows how to transfer the skin data from Character Creator FBX to 3ds Max Cat. Finally, you'll learn how to rig the mouth and eyes, then organize this finished file for a simplified animation workflow. There's a lot of steps to perform in order. I recommend watching each part, then using the PDF checklist to do it yourself. There's a link to that and the lesson files in the description. With your character design complete in Character Creator, select File, Export, FBX. Set the Target Tool preset to 3ds Max. Select Mesh from FBX options and set A pose under Default. Save to a logical folder. In 3ds Max, select File, Import, Import. Navigate to your character model. Notice that Character Creator exports textures to the same directory as the FBX. I'll be discussing how to set up materials in Character Creator, develop them in Substance Painter, and perfect them in V-Ray in a future lesson. Select Open, choose Autodesk Media and Entertainment preset, and click OK. Now open your Scene Explorer. Select Sort by Hierarchy. Select CC Base Bone Root and All Children. Toggle Sort by Layer. Click Create New Layer and name it CC Bones. As you sort into layers, hide each layer after creating it. This makes it easier to sort the remaining items. Character Creator comes with over 100 bones on import. These include bones for eyes, teeth, tongue, breast, nipples, and more. I find it more efficient to work with fewer bones and use morph targets for animating muscles and facial expressions. In the Hierarchy Explorer, select Biker Jeans, CC Base Body, Hair, Loose Biker Boots, and Plaid Punk Shirt. Activate Sort by Layer, create a new layer, and name it Skinned. Repeat these steps, selecting the remaining geometry and assigning it to a layer named Unskinned. The remaining items in the 0 or default layer are all morph targets. Select them and assign them to a layer named Morphs. I have created a cat rig specifically to work with Character Creator characters. You'll find a link in the description. Unhide all the layers. We'll need them for reference, and 3ds Max will prompt you if you try and create an object on a hidden layer. From the Create Helpers panel, select Cat Parent and click Drag somewhere in the perspective viewport. In the Modifier panel, select Open Preset Rig. Navigate to and load the CC Base Adult Cat Rig. When assigned, this cat rig creates its own layer, so you don't have to. Center the cat parent to 0 in the X, Y, and Z coordinates. Switch to the front view and zoom in on one of the hands. Notice the vertical alignment between the cat rig bones versus the Character Creator skeleton. In the Modifier panel, adjust cat units ratio until the alignment is close. Under Cat Rig Parameters, rename the rig to cat_base_. This is important because we're going to use a script to help transfer the rig. First, we're going to closely align the cat rig with the Character Creator skeleton. Switch to a wireframe view, hide the skinned and unskinned layers, or type Shift-G to hide geometry objects. Starting with the pelvis, align the cat rig bones to their corresponding character creator bones in precisely the following order. There's a numbered list in the PDF. Pelvis to hip, thigh, foot, toe base, calf, spine 0 waist to waist, spine 01, spine 02, hand and each finger link, forearm, upper arm, clavicle, neck twist 1 to neck, and finally head. Unhide the geometry again. Now we are ready to start transferring skin data.